Hey, Six Pack Garage here, Anthem, Arizona. So recently, one of our daily drivers, it's 2015 Escalade, developed this weird noise, and I'll put the clip here. Which I thought was a belt noise, but it turns out it is a lifter roller noise. So these are the lifters, and it's pretty actually a good design, being that it's a roller lifter. More to come on that, but what I decided to do is do a factory replacement. So it does have the AFM, I don't know if it's called AFM DOD system, where runs like a 4-cylinder under light load, constant speed. So I ordered basically everything needed to do a factory replacement. So there's 8 of these type of lifters, 8 of kind of the regular lifters. Comes with head gaskets, exhaust gaskets, the plastic guides, which I think is ridiculous that, you know, this is what keeps those lifters aligned. I ordered the exhaust bolts. They're cheap, and it's put them on. And then also the head bolts. There's one oddball one for some reason on one of the heads, but they're torque to yield, so one-time use, right? So yeah, that's my next project here, hoping to get this done this weekend. I did order a couple of torque wrenches from Amazon. These were not expensive. I think they're like $164. Now, I did already have a 3/8 old school, like a dial torque wrench, but this is a package deal, 1/2 inch and 3/8, and I did not have a 1/2 inch. I've owned a lot of these different 1/2 inch torque wrenches over the years, but somehow my torque wrench is missing. So good excuse to buy new ones, right? But yeah, wish me luck. This is what we're facing. Now I'm at my other workbench. This is on the other end of the garage. So my old Blazer's parked over here, so that's gonna move, and I'll bring the Escalade in here for this project. So I'll post some details as I get into it, hopefully this weekend. I mean, it sucks that you got to pull the heads off to change lifters, but, well, no sense crying about it. Just have to get at it. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.